So your kids got it made today, mowing lawns. If your kids mow the lawns, I don't know. Nowadays, kids probably sit inside playing video games while their parents mow the lawns. Shame on the parents. This is how it was done back in the day. This is a lawnmower. You think you got it rough mowing lawns today. This is some old school stuff right here. You just push this around. This thing works great. I cleaned it up, oiled it up, sharpened the blades. That's how it was done back in the day. Good workout too.